Yes, student, as here the heading suggested peptide linkage, it is bond. Okay, peptides, dipeptide and polypeptide, that is the synthesization of a protein. Okay, so very first we will see what is peptide linkage. Student, you know that there is many type of amino acids. Okay, and it can be expressed in the form of that one of the molecule alpha amino acid. Okay, suppose it is H, then will become glycine. Suppose it is CH3, then will become alanine. So different type of amino acids are there. When the two amino acid molecules, okay, condensed like here, and H, now this is again CHR, C double bond O and OH. So now the two molecules are there. So when these two molecules condense by releasing a water molecule minus H2O. Now the condensation of two molecules will form a peptide like H2 and C, H R C double bond O, this is N and this is what, H, and then C H, this is R, C double bond O and what, OH. Here there is a CONH bond. This bond is called peptide linkage. Peptide linkage. So what is peptide linkage? It is CONH bond, or the bond formed when the two amino acid molecules condensed by releasing of water molecule called peptide linkage. Now students, suppose there are one more molecule is added with it, like here H, now N, this is H, and rest of the amino acid molecule CHR, C double bond O and what, OH. So what, one more condensation possible between H of amines and OH of carboxylic acid. So one more water molecule will release, thus a compound will become what, H2N CHR, then CON and H. Okay, that is then CHR, again C double bond O, and this is NH. Okay, CHR and OH. So now here what? Here 1 and 1, 2. So two peptide linkage are present, therefore this is called dipeptide. Are you getting? In the similar form and linear form, if many, that is large number of condensation, that is the amino acids will condense, then large number of CONH bond will form. This is called what? Proteins. So what are the proteins? So proteins are the polypeptide. Proteins are the polypeptide. Getting? Or now in chemistry, CONH group is called amide also. So are also called what? Polyamides. Polyamides. Are you getting? So here peptide linkage, dipeptide, tripeptide, polypeptide, and now it will become what? Polyamide. Therefore what we are saying, proteins are a higher natural polymer containing very large molar mass, that is 1 mole of any protein, okay, having more than 1000 gram weight. Are you getting? So this is called also polyamide. Now on the basis of it, type of proteins. Okay, type of proteins. Proteins are of two types. Okay, first one is called globular protein. Globular protein. Globular protein, that is what? If polypeptide chain peptide chain is curved or coiled in such a form that it becomes spherical in shape. It becomes spherical in shape, called what? Globular protein. Example of globular proteins are what? It is hemoglobin. Okay, it is one of the example. You know hemoglobin, that is blood shape. Okay, and second type of protein is called fibrous protein. Fibrous protein means if polypeptide chain is in linear form and many chain are joined by hydrogen bonding, then it becomes fiber-like structure or shape. Okay, example is what? Keratin, that is called a hair protein. Keratin is called what? Hair protein. Or one more, myosin. Myosin means what? Muscles protein. This is called muscles protein. So this is about the protein. Okay. Now student, you have to study about the structure, primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure and quaternary structure of protein. Take it as a assignment, and also what are the functions of protein. Are you getting? So this is for your assignment.